of you with Aapki Jai. When I say Aapki Jai, all of you need to respond with the same phrase. So, Aapki Jai. Aapki Jai. I am Sonal Rathwa from Adivasi community. I am here to present Adivasi perspective of life, not the religion. The simple reason behind is that Adivasi do not have institution to be called religion. What they have is the perspective which reflects in their day-to-day life and cultural practices. Adivasi are also known as tribe or tribal. However, tribal is a term used for administrative purpose. It does not have any cultural significations. In my paper, I would like to concentrate on Adivasi perspective of life, nature, and the Mother Earth. Particularly, my paper would have focused on the status and the situation of women in Adivasi communities. The paper would be concluded referring to the objective of the myth, that is the peace. To begin with paper, I would like to draw your kind attention towards the song that we just sung. Nai bhul jiyamu, nai bhul jiyamu, dharati yaha kile, nai bhul ji. यूं धरती पे आनने पाई, मन में पड़े तहाँ आन कड़जी, पाई पीजी, नाई भूल जी. यूं धरती पे पानने फूले, पानन फूले, मन में तहाँ पान तोड़ जी, फल खाई जी, नाई भूल जी. यूं धरती पे जीले बादा, हाली मिली ने दीही काळजी, जीविले जी, नाई भूल जी अमू, नाई भूल जी अमू, धरती यह किले, नाई भूल जी. In fact, the song foregrounds my paper, the song composed by our thinker Sanglia Vadvi, explained the Adivasi relations with the nature, particularly the earth. The song is about the resolution that is not to forget the obligation of the earth. The song gives detailed account of the reasons for which man has to be obliged to Mother Earth. She provides all the food items, water, woods, and the spaces where a human being can continue the life with happiness. It is similar as a child with her mother. The song also tells the man that he should take the things that are required for his survival and happiness. Thus, for Adivasi, the earth does not belong to him, but he belongs to the earth. This is the most important feature of Adivasi perspective. The Adivasi is a group of communities which are closer to the nature. The simplicities and the complexities that we observe in the nature are also visible in the Adivasi society. Though mankind has hardly loved any effort to exploit the earth, she still allows lives to exist on her. Similarly, Adivasi as an identity could remain intact against main forces were against it. They could survive as an identity without having any institutional structure. And I am sure Adivasi will survive as an identity till the time they remain independent group of communities. The institutionalization can make negative for Adivasi. It can even lead them towards conservative of life. The position woman in Adivasi society is not special. She is a normal member the respective communities just like a man. The birth of male, female child does not make much difference in Adivasi. The birth of female child is not equated with Lakshmi, inverted comma, Lakshmi. She is simply a girl child, and the woman is also not considered to be the symbol of power or Shakti. Thus, woman is neither lower or higher to men. She has her own self, and at the time she is integrated with other, which is men. The existence of man and woman is considered to be incomplete in the absence of other. The issue of women discrimination and the basis of gender difference are quite new and foreign phenomenon to Adivasi communities. Men and women has their own roles in the life. When some disputes between wife and husband arise, the elders would often pacify them, saying that husband and wife are just like two wheels of the cart. Life cannot go on without the contribution of each other. They are the equal partners in Adivasi community. There have been incidents of wife beating husband just like husband doing the same with her. I am aware that beating to anyone cannot be encouraged, but this shows equality between men and women in Adivasi. The equality between men and women can be observed in the routine works and also during the moments of celebration. In fairs, festival and the marriages, Adivasi men and women dance and sing together happily. The issue of misbehavior with women hardly takes place. The paintings of the Baba Pitoro provides examples of equality between men and women. The Baba Pitoro is a realist celebration. The painting, basically known as writings, are the important part of the Baba Pitoro. They are painting on the three sides of wall in a main part of the house. Here it becomes necessary to understand the reasons why the gender-related issues are absent in Adivasi society. Are they more culture and discipline? Do they have any system which checks such issues before they take place? The answer is no. The real answer to these questions lies in the existence of Adivasi society, which is free from institution. Because the institution need
2 minutes more, please.
Have their own rules and regulation. The norms and the rules of institution are framed in order to distinguish one institution from other. One can also observe that the institutions for religion are based on the idea of purity and sanctity. But this concept require the existence of opposite of them. Since Adivasi is not an institutional identity, it is free from the concept of purity and sanctity. Adivasi need to be careful of cleanliness only. It is therefore there is no base or no chance for discrimination of women on the basis of gender. It is because of this way of life Adivasi could remain a casteless group of communities also. आपकी जय.